Blimey, I wonder if the other three are alright.
And now, the weather forecast. Around the coast of all sides, we're experiencing severe weather, very low temperatures. We have a warning here of rough seas, so stay away from that water. Now, looking more inland, also low temperatures, and it will be snowing hard. 8 inches of snow tonight. Keep warm, folks. Now, up in Scotland...
8 inches of snow? I didn't even know that was possible.
Rubbish! We won't be affected by snow that much, Bonnie. You'll live.
I'm not so sure, Frex. Some of our lines run by the ocean, and we are in the Midland region.
Have you all heard about what's happening on the LMS?
Oh, dreadful.
Ha! The massive Grand Railway, faltering with a little bit of snow. Ridiculous.
Aren't you from that railway?
I was from that railway, Bonnie.
Yes, but still.
If it's so bad over there, I can't imagine what the weather can do to our railway.
Indeed. We may have to close.
I'm more focused on how we'll actually be running. This fog, I'm not sure we can run safely in such low visibility.
It's only snow. You'll survive.
Keep telling yourself that,
Good morning, engines and crews. Still steaming?
Yep.
Right. Well, I bring big news, so listen carefully. As you may know, the snow has been affecting railways all across Britain. We will keep running, but we shall close and end services earlier, as there's a big snowstorm coming. That brings me to my next piece of information. I've been talking with the higher-ups of the LMS offices, and we've struck a big contract.
Higher-ups?
Contract?
LMS?
Let me finish. There's a long coal train that needs to be moved across that railway. However, it's not just for them. It's for everyone. This coal will go to the towns and cities of England to keep everyone warm and to keep everything running. This is a big coal move, and I need 3 engines.
I'm the first army.
So help me God if you interrupt me one more time! Okay, Frex, you're leading the train.
Yes!
Behind Frex will be Adric, as he is our second most strongest engineer, and coupled up to him is... Bonnie!
What?
Me? But, mister, look at me. I'm a small shunting engine.
I know, but small little shunting engines seem to have a bigger picture when looking at problems, persevering and solving them. You've proven to me that you are the greatest asset to this railway, so I want you on this train. Besides, panniers are quite strong.
Oh, thanks.
You 3 will head to Rapid as soon as possible. The station master there will tell you what to do next. That is all. Good luck, engines.
Oh boy, this is gonna be exciting.
Indeed. A trip across the LMS.
How great. Anyways.
I'm all steamed up. Adric?
Ready.
Rex?
Almost there.
Goodness, hurry up.
No. I have an idea. We'll take him to Rapid, and he can steam up on the way.
Smart idea.
Alright then, let's go.
Good morning, Mr. Sir.
Yes, good morning to you too, pal. Now, the train is waiting for you at Carlisle goods yard. Should be on the goods loop or something. Then you take it all the way to Bristol yards. Good luck.
Wow. Blunt.
Straight to the point. Let's go.
So, where is Carlisle? And where's Bristol?
Oh, great! It'd be really convenient to know an engine that used to run all across the LMS and happened to be an LMS engine.
Oh,
yes,
yes,
right.
right.
Now come on!
Ow.
Wow, we're supposed to pull that.
Alright, formation time. Bonnie, you're coupled on the train, and Adric in front of you, then me.
We have 120 wagons plus the brake van.
You counted?
Yep.
All ready?
Ready. So, how's everyone on coal and water?
I'm perfectly fine.
I think I'm just about nearly halfway. You?
I'm starting to run low. Can we stop somewhere for a short rest?
Come on! Could have said so earlier! Why can't you
He's
just...
got a point. You might manage, Rex, but neither Bonnie or I can go the whole way without stopping at least once.
You don't!
Fine!
Whoa!
See, everything came out alright. I knew we could.
Who the hell? Oh, really?
Didn't your
Really?
manager
How
assign
is
you
this
this
my
training because of
This was
your
no one's fault,
persevering
right?
attitude?
Let me in here!
This
Idiot.
isn't
Whatever!
This is not your
Thanks
fault.
to
Hey,
your
You
incompetence,
think
get
this
us
train is
going
failed!
nowhere.
You
You're
utter
gonna
failure!
ice you on the train as well.
Ah!